General relativity, step by step. Alright, we've got this equation here for the second derivative of the second derivative by d tau squared of the separation vector between 2 points in geodesic motion. And it looks quite a pain, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to factorize it. See if I can do it in one line here, and I'm going to factorize it in terms of u, n. And we've got a u sigma, a u mu, and a u nu. Let's just see how much of these terms I can do here. You see, each one has got an NUU, an NUU, an NUU, and an NUU. Now, there's a pi here which is making life difficult, and a beta here, but it doesn't matter, it's an umbral index. It's summed over that beta, so I can call it squidge or squatch, I can call it whatever I like. But let's start with this one. We've got a di by di x. Okay, so the sigma sums with the n, and the n is a nu, so that's got to be a nu. That nu there sums with this nu here, which is the same thing as that sigma there summing with that sigma there. We've got a mu and a nu here. And we want it to be a sigma and a mu, and an alpha's free. That alpha there is free. I'll write it in red, just so it stands out from the other guys. Just a minute. Sorry, my interface is glitching out here. I'm going to write that in red. That's alpha. Everything else is summed. The sigma and the mu and the nu are summed over sigma, mu, and nu here. Okay, let's go back to black. That's that term there done. Oh, that's a relief. Right, this term here. Oh, that's a minus sign. Minus sign. Plus. Di. And then the alpha's free. Di x. I'm going to write the alpha in red. There it is. Go back to black. There we go. I'm doing this term here. The new term goes with that term there, which is this one here. I may as well. So I'm getting myself a little bit tangled up here. I'm doing this term here. That alpha is this alpha here. The mu term and the sigma term, sum with the n and the nu. So the n and the nu term here is mu and nu, so this needs to match it, being called mu, mu and nu. And what's left? The nu term is left, which sums with the other one of the u's, because there's two u terms, which is a sigma, I think. Yeah, there we go. Oh, dear me. Done that term now. Okay, I'm going to stop there because this is very, very easy to make mistakes, and if I do lots of short ones, I'm less likely to screw it up. So I'm going to stop there and do the other term. I'll do these two terms in the next one.